the top of a 5-foot ladder is sliding down a vertical wall of 1 foot per minute. When the top of the ladder is 4 feet from the ground, what is the rate of change of the distance between the bottom of the ladder and the wall?
So we knew we had to use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We were given c equals 5 and dA over dt equals -1 foot per minute. We solved for a and b using the Pythagorean theorem, and we knew we had to find dB over dt. We took the derivative of the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and we were left with this equation. We plugged values in, and we solved algebraically, and was left with dB over dt equals 8 over 6, which, as you see, simplifies to 4 over 3 feet per minute.
So the second equation, a spherical balloon is inflated so that its radius increases 4 centimeters per second. How fast is the volume of the balloon increasing when the radius is 6 centimeters?
Okay, so the question gave us the radius and it gave us the rate at which the balloon is expanding. So we have to find the volume, which is this equation here. So 4/3 pi r cubed. So we took the derivative of the volume, which would be 4 pi r squared times the rate. So if you plug everything in, you get 4 pi, which is your r, and r, which is 6 squared times 4, and it gives you 576 pi cubed per second, which is how large it's expanding.
And as you see, we have pictures here. This is a picture that it displays the balloon question. That's the radius, 6 centimeters. Here, our picture displays the ladder question.
Here's the 4-foot wall.
4,
3 feet from
3,
how far away the ladder is, and then 5 feet for how tall the ladder is.
5.
And when you're doing questions like this, you can't forget your units. This is a
Yeah.
cube.
It's very important to remember the proper exponent based on what you're solving for. Also, it's important to simplify, as you see here. It was 8 over 6, and we made it 4 over 3. If you do not simplify properly, you could lose points on a quiz or test, depending on the assessment that the teacher is assigning to you.
You could also just get the problem wrong in general.
Yeah.
And you have to go back and check your work.
Make sure you check your work, as you see we did here. Thank you.